users upload a 5 MB photo and your site crashes, or they are stuck waiting 30 seconds for a massive image to load on a mobile. Sound familiar? Today, I will show you how to build a lightning-fast image resizer that processes 3 different sizes simultaneously using Motia's event-driven architecture. This is the common use case. As you can see, long-term retention problems are always happening because of a poor UX, and that is because the image is not loading, there is some compatibility bugs, there is some media format errors. So most image processing is painfully slow because everything happens one after another. If I just go and search about image resizer, I will see like multiple tools are available, like this is imageresizer.com, right? So this runs like normally, right? This is image processing and it is virtual. There is no security, I would say. Like you have to upload your images publicly. Another issue is like it will just give you that particular pegs images which you define. So most image processing is painfully slow because everything happens one after another. Upload, then save, resize for desktop, resize for mobile, compress. By the time it's done, your users have given up. But what if one upload could trigger 3 simultaneous processes? That's exactly what we are building today. That's what we can see here. This is the traditional image resizer, where user upload, then upload and validation done, then saves original to S3, then resize desktop, resize mobile, resize low quality, done. So this is normal image resizer which people builds, right? Problem is like a sequential processing, slow, user await 16 plus seconds as this is the process, server resource underutilized, you are not utilizing it properly, I would say. Adding new sizes even slower. So no visibility into entire process. This is the image resize. User uploads, then it will get validated, then save will be done to S3. So this is just like 5 seconds, right? And then using the Motia event-driven architecture, emit event will be done, image saved, and instantly parallel processing will start for different resizes like desktop, mobile, compress. So within 4 seconds, all are done. And then your completion tracker is there to monitor all your works. So parallel processing, which is fast, user waits only 9 seconds, maximum resource utilization, easy to add new sizes anytime. You just have to add worker, real-time progress tracking, and then in 9 seconds everything is done, right? This is like if there is like thousands of workers and millions of workers, then again the timing is reduced compared to sequential, right? Here is our image resizer built with Motia. We have 5 main components: upload handler, 3 resize workers, and that run in parallel, and a completion tracker. Everything is there. Upload step validates and saves to AWS S3. So entire process is here. You just have to go through this file, and I have also written blog on it, so you can just read it. Then there is a 3 specialized worker create desktop, mobile, and compressed version. These 3 files, which version simultaneously. A completion tracker monitors everything. So upload step is beautifully simple. It validates the image format and saves to S3, then emit one event that wakes up all 3 resize workers, which I showed you in diagram, right? So this is the image save. This is the event emission code, which will trigger all of the parallel processing. So no complex orchestration needed. It is very simple, right? Each resize worker listens for that image saved and event and does one job really well. The desktop resizer creates 1920 pixel versions at 90% quality. We are using Sharp for lightning fast image processing. It handles format conversion, resizing, and quality optimization automatically. So let's see this in action. I'll just go and run npx mode shadow, and our server is up and running. I can just copy this or run my workbench in. So it is running now. This is the image processing. Upload image. The code is here. I can see entire workflow, entire code in my workbench without having to go back to my cursor or VS Code. Motia's built-in workbench gives us real-time visibility into every step of the process. That's what we see here. First, I will convert our test image to base64 format for API upload script, which you can use to convert. But I will simply go and use this PNG to base64. In README, I have the sample curl request available there and the JSON request, so which you can just copy and use it whenever you are doing the request. So I will just go and hit the endpoint and to paste here image test image, and then I can simply replace it with base64 data. So now you will see in image resizer I have like 4 different folders. There's like 4 images already, right? Now I will just hit this play button and it will, as we see, everything run perfectly fine. Everything run parallelly, and so desktop resize complete. Then similarly mobile resize is complete, and it must be saved to our image resizer bucket. So let me refresh it. You can see our newest is added just now, And so yeah, that's simple. It is. The upload completes in like milliseconds, then immediately triggered 3 parallel processes which we saw: desktop resize, mobile resize, and compression, all running simultaneously. You can see all 3 workers processing at the same time. That is the power of event-driven architecture. So true parallelism without complex coordination. The response gives us URLs for all 3 versions. So we saw that it is on the S3. So yeah, very simple to use. The beauty of this architecture is scalability. I can upload multiple images simultaneously, and each triggers its own parallel processing pipeline. The completion tracker ensures we know when all processing is done. Want to add a thumbnail generation? Just create a new worker that listens for the same event. No existing code changes needed. So very simple. This entire project is open source. You can just go on Motia examples, and you will see this example is available there. So this is the example here. It's very easy to use. I have given you the demo. So check out Motia's documentation to learn more about event-driven architecture, and there is blog available in the description. You can check it out for like if you are the reading person, that will be very good to try it. So from 1 upload to 3 optimized versions in second. That's the power of parallel processing with Motia. So thanks for watching, and let us know what